Hi everyone, this is Prasad Reddy, SA Mathematics from ZPHS Padakadapa. Today I am going to explain how to construct a similar triangle to a given triangle. For that I am taking a triangle with the sides 9 centimeters, 8.5 centimeters, 9 centimeters. Then I am going to construct a similar triangle to the given triangle, and the sides of this similar triangle are 2/3 of sides of. Next, see the rough sketch, and yes, this is the given triangle ABC, and we are going to construct similar triangle A1B C1 is a similar triangle to the given triangle, and the sides of this similar triangle A1B C1 are 2/3 of sides of triangle ABC. Next, see the process. Yes, now we are going to construction, that is main sketch. First of all, draw a line segment of 9 centimeters. Yes, this is the line segment of length 9 centimeters, and name it this line segment as BC. That means this first point is B, and this point is C. Yes, this is one side of given triangle BC, and its length is 9 centimeters. Next, now take B as center with radius 8.5 centimeters. I am going to draw an arc. Yes, see here, this is 8.5 centimeters. So take B as center with radius 8.5 centimeters. I am going to draw an arc. Next, take C as center with radius 9 centimeters. See here. Yes, this is 9 centimeters. Draw one more arc so as to meet this first arc at some point. Yes, this is another arc, and let point of intersection of these two arcs as capital A. Yes, yes, this is the third vertex of a given triangle. Next, join AB and AC. First of all, I am going to join AB. Yes, join AB. Yes, this is the one side of, that means another side of a given triangle. Next, join AC. Here I am adjusting the scale. Oh, sorry. Yes, now join AC. Yes, this is third side of a triangle. Next, we can draw a ray which makes acute angle with BC through B. See here, this is the ray we are going to draw, and this making an acute angle with BC, and we are drawing this ray from B. Yes. Now we can mark 3 points on this ray, because in our given fraction 2 by 3, 3 is the maximum. So we are going to draw 3 points on this or mark 3 points on this ray such that they are equal distance one from other. Yes, this is the first point, and this one is the second one, and this is the third one. As I told previous, we have to mark only 3 points, because in the fraction 2 by 3, 3 is the maximum. That's why we are marking 3 points, and these distances are same, and name these points as B1, B2, this is B2, and the last one is B3. Yes, here B1 is equal to B1, B2 is equal to B2, B3. Next, in our fraction 2 by 3, the denominator is 3. So we are going to join the vertex C with B3, because the denominator is 3. That's why we are joining the vertex C with B3. Yes. Next, we can draw a line parallel to this CB3 through B2. Why we are drawing from B2? Because in our fraction 2 by 3, the numerator is 2. That's why we are drawing a parallel line from B2, and that is parallel to B3C. Now mark this point as C1. Yes, this is C1. Next, we are going to draw one more parallel line to BC passing through C1. Yes, this is another parallel line we are going to draw, and this is parallel to AC. S. So we are marking this point as A1. Yes, this A1B C1 is a similar triangle to the given triangle ABC. We can see steps in construction. Yes, first of all we are constructed a triangle with sides AB equal 8.5, BC equal 9 centimeters, and AC 9 centimeters. Then we are drawn a ray by making acute angle with BC at B, and mark B1, B2, B3 on the ray such that B1 equal to B1, B2 equal to B2, B3. Next, join B3 with C. Next, draw a line B2 C1 which is parallel to B3C so as to meet BC at C1. Draw a line C1A1 which is parallel to AC so as to meet AB at A1. Now A1B C1 is a required similar triangle to the triangle ABC. These are the steps in construction, and thank you everyone for listening.